Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Style for a Journey. Hope you are doing well. I am Viren and I love creating videos related to self-care, makeup and fashion. So today is Nykaa Pink Love Sale haul video. So I must be the last person to share about that, right? But without any further delay, let's get started with the haul video. First, I'm going to share about all the self-care products that I purchased in the sale, and the first one is this Salicylamide face wash from the Dermacos. I have heard many good reviews about this face wash, and this is one of their best sellers. So I thought, okay, let's just give it a try because my current salicylic acid face wash from Dot & Key was almost over. So let's see how it works on my skin, and I'll share about it with you all soon. Next is a restock. So I restocked one of my favorite moisturizer from Dot & Key. It's their Barrier Repair Oil Free Moisturizer. I and my brother have been using it continuously and it's just so perfect. If you're looking for a very lightweight yet hydrating moisturizer, and if you have oily to normal skin type, then this is the perfect option for you. It's just so good. The packaging, the pricing and the performance is amazing. So it's a restock and that must say how much I love it. Next, I restocked again this micellar water from Garnier. So if you are a makeup person or you use makeup and sunscreens daily, then this is a must-have in your stash. It's just so good to correct in your makeup mistakes or remove makeup, remove sunscreen effectively, and it's very perfect for any skin type, including sensitive skin. So I restocked this Garnier micellar water. The next is a shampoo. So I have heard about this shampoo from L'Oreal Paris, so many influencers videos, so I thought, okay, I also have oily scalp and dry hair lens, so let's just give it a try. So I used it once and it's just so perfect. As they say, it's very good for oily scalp. It cleanses my scalp thoroughly, yet it does not dry out my scalp, so it's just so good. I will again try it for few more times or weeks and I'll let you know about it. The next self-care product is a body wash. So this was the Dove 5% Radiant Serum with Niacinamide body wash. I've heard about it so many videos, so I thought, okay, my current body wash from Lux was over, so let's just give it a try. And I've been using it for 3 days now. As you can see, it's a very creamy, it has tiny beads in it which isn't harsh on the skin at all, so it's just quite moisturizing. It isn't drying but cleanses my skin effectively. As of now, as of the first impressions, it's so good. So again, stay tuned for my detailed review about it. My last self-care purchase in Nykaa Pink Love Sale is this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. Yes, I finally got to try out this beautiful tiny lip sleeping mask and I have picked the shade variant Berry. So as you can see, once I received this, I started using it in my PM routine. It's a very good, thick and nourishing lip mask. I can feel the hype about it. Super nourishing and moisturizing. It also helps to repair my dry chapped lips so well and effectively. I really love it from the first time I used. It's just so good and so worth the hype. Now let's move on to our favorite makeup products. So first, many of you asked me to try Nykaa Cushion Foundation because the price of this foundation is comparatively quite less when compared to other foundations, right? So for you, I picked out this during the sale and I have picked the shade. It's a large shade. It's called 445Y Deep. So let me show you the packaging. It looks pinky. I love the pink packaging with the metallic corner rim about it, and you have the mirror, the sponge. Yeah, the sponge is quite good, but quite average. So this is how the shade 445 looks like, and that's what I'm wearing it today. It's like tad bit deep, like 1 or 2 shades deeper than me, but yeah, the before shade is like too much lighter for me. Compared to that, this was quite okay for me, so I purchased it. I've used it. It's like a very good light to medium coverage foundation, so I will definitely see how it wears on my skin throughout the day. So this is the first time I'm trying it. I'll just share about it in a few more days or weeks maybe. Next, we have a lot of lip products this time, but before that, I'll just share about this eyeliner that I purchased. I saw about this eyeliner in Truly Sana's video and I thought, okay, it's just so affordable. Let's just give it a try because I was always looking for a good matte eyeliner for everyday use. So this is the Inside Cosmetics No Smudge eyeliner and I purchased this for just rupees 90 or 85 rupees. It was super affordable, so I haven't tried it out. I will try it out and let you know if it's worth it. Now we have so many lip products right in front of me. So first I purchased this Nykaa High Shine Peptide Lip Balm. So I was like collecting and purchasing the glossy lip balm pens. So I will share a comparative review with you all soon, like the cushion foundations that I said. So this is how it looks like. It's again a clickable pen packaging, and I have the shade Bub, I guess. No, it's the shade Mine. So it's a very beautiful, berry pink shade. The pigmentation is very sheer, as you can see. It's kind of a sheer, great for everyday use, and it's super moisturizing on my lips. It's just so perfect. If you don't want that so much of pigmentation in your lip balms, but you want that high glossy moisturizing lip balm kind of a product, then this is so good. Yeah, for the price, it's good. The quantity is great. Yeah, so this is a very sheer tinted lip balm which is great for everyday use. As I shared about this with you all, so for the Nykaa products, two products that I purchased, I received this lipstick for free. So this is the Nykaa creamy matte lipstick, and this is a new shade that they launched. It's the Like a Boss. So it's a very good everyday creamy matte lipstick. It isn't transfer proof or smudge proof, but it's great for everyday because it's so lightweight, comfortable, and perfect for everyday wear. So let me just show you a swatch. So this is how the shade Like a Boss looks like, and I was really happy with the shade that I received, because usually the free products that we receive during this sale used to be in a very lighter shade that doesn't suit our brown dusky skin much, but this time I really got a very good shade. So I'm gonna wear it super soon and share about the swatch with and without makeup with you all, so stay tuned for that. As I said, I've been purchasing these clickable lip balm glosses, right? So I also purchased from Stays because I've seen so many good reviews about it, and it's the Yummy Lip Gloss Balm, and I have the shade Double Espresso. Again, this is so moisturizing, super lightweight, and so good. It also has this clickable packaging, so you can just click 2 to 3 times and how much ever you need, and then use this. This is super pigmented. Can you see? Just one swipe pigmentation, a very beautiful coffee brown color. It also smells like coffee toffee to me, and it's so good. But if you don't like much fragrance in your lip products, then you wouldn't like it. I love fragrance, I don't mind it. So for the coffee smell fragrance, it's just so good. So I have few more other, like from Mars Click Sticks, and yeah, I'll share a comparative review of all of these, so stay tuned for that. I also purchased another shade of this Gloss Lock 2-in-1 liquid lipstick from Stays because I have this shade. I am happy. I really like the formulation. So you wanted to try another good shade that would suit dusky skin, because for the shade I am happy. The formulation is good, but the shade was like okayish on our dusky brown skin. So this is like a very good warm red shade. So I really like this shade on me even without makeup. It looks so good. So let me show you a swatch of it. So this is half the shade I Am Feisty looks like. It's very lightweight. It's very like, it's so smooth, comfortable formula, and it is transfer proof and smudge proof. But even with gloss or without gloss, it is transfer proof. It's just so comfortable and great for like long lasting a lip product if you're looking for a glossy one. And yeah, this is just so good. You can definitely give it a try. So this lipstick is like so good, long lasting, and a transfer proof 2-in-1. It can be used as a matte lipstick and also as a glossy lipstick. So I like it so much. Let me know if you want me to share swatches of all of the lip products that I shared in today's video with and without makeup along with their reviews. I'll definitely do a separate video on it. Next, we have two lip products from NYX Cosmetics because you asked me to try, and here it is. So first one is this Viral Lip Ivy Gloss Stain. I have the shade Water About Wine. So I was really confused which shade should I try. I really wanted to try a good pink lip stain because I don't have a good pink lip stain. Most of the stains are the brown, red, and maroon shades. So yeah, then I thought, I was not sure if the pink lip stains from the range were suitable for our dusky brown skin. So finally I got to try out this What About Wine shade, and it's a very, again, beautiful wine shade. It's very pigmented. It's so extremely pigmented, so good. It has a super glossy shine finish, which I really like. Yes, it's so lightweight and comfortable. Even after you wipe it out after a few minutes, it stains your lips so well and it's quite long lasting. Yeah, so I tried it one time and I really loved it. Even with this product, I will try a few more times with a wear test and I'll then share about it with you all. The next product from NYX Cosmetics is their recently launched Smushy Matte Lip Balm. So we have our Indian brand matte lip balm, which is Tipsy Beauty, right? So I also tried this one to do a comparison review, like a makeup battle again. I love doing makeup comparison videos or makeup battle videos because I feel so fascinated about it. I don't know why. So I purchased this because it was very like a viral trending lip product. And I have the shade Smudge Fudge. It's a very beautiful warm brown shade again. So let me just show you a swatch of it. This is how it looks like. It's a very good warm brown shade. As you can see, it's a very good shade, but it's not as pigmented as the Tipsy Beauty one. So it's like very moussey matte finish. It kind of provides a blurry look, but it's not pigmented as the Tipsy Beauty one. So I will try a few more times and how long it lasts. So then I'll share about the review of this product. Yeah, lastly we have two more lip products. So I will first share about the Pilgrim lipstick with you all. So this is the French collection. Already I shared and tried the Spanish collection and I really liked it. It's like a very good creamy matte lipstick for everyday use. So I got to try out this French collection as well. So it's called the Oh So Cream matte lipstick and I have the shade Hot Chocolate. So the packaging looks very gorgeous and luxury with this navy blue and golden packaging. It's a magnetic closure packaging. So the shade looks something like this. It's a very beautiful cool tone brown shade. It's like very subtle. Even with this, it provides like a very can you see, this is a very beautiful, again, a neutral cool tone brown shade. It also provides kind of a blurred lip look, which I really like, but it is not a transfer proof or smudge proof. So it's like a very good, again, everyday kind of a lipstick. If you don't want that dried out transfer proof lipsticks for everyday use, then you can purchase these kind of lipsticks for you all. Yeah, I'm gonna share again with the wear test and the swatches soon, so stay tuned for that. So the last lipstick is the one that I'm wearing right now and it's from NYX Professional. So the NYX Cosmetics Vinyl Ink Lipstick, well, I was really wanting to try it out because it was said to be a dupe of the Maybelline Vinyl Ink Lipstick. But each time I tried to purchase this and add it to the cart, it gets out of stock and I was so frustrated about it. And then I thought, okay, let's just give this one a try because this also seems like a good glossy shine but transfer proof lipstick, and I purchased the shade Vintage Rose. So this is how it looks like on my lips. It's a very beautiful shade, like a very beautiful deep rose pink kind of a shade, and I really like it. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's a very beautiful packaging again. Yeah, for the price, I must say it's just so good. So yeah, let me just share. Oh my god, can you see that one swipe pigmentation and a very beautiful glossy shine it provides? It's just so good, right? I really love it. It is very lightweight, not at all sticky. It isn't too glossy, but it's kind of a glossy finish and it's just so good. It is very nourishing and moisturizing as well. It isn't drying at all. Even with this, this is the first time I'm trying it on my lips. So even with this lipstick, I'm gonna see how it lasts and how comfortable it is throughout the day. And I'm gonna share a detailed review about it with you all. That's it guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page Style for Jenny, and if you like to watch such long form review videos and haul videos, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload new videos. And until next time, bye bye.